Stop losing time and productivity to IT network issues. Onsite Computer Consulting is your premier partner in seamless support, ensuring your business is always connected, always ahead. With our comprehensive monitoring, maintenance, and support, recurring issues become a thing of the past. Build a stronger IT network. Our qualified network support specialists and round-the-clock monitoring ensure your network is robust and resilient against any challenge. Experience end-to-end support like never before. From network design and deployment to on-site cabling and setting up wireless networks, we provide solutions tailored to your unique needs, and we'll help you stay agile. Choose our convenient one-year contracts and secure your investment with a comprehensive 2-year warranty on custom systems. For more than 28 years, we've been the backbone of over 103 companies. When it comes to reliability, Onsite Computer Consulting stands unmatched. You'll work with a team that enables dependable networks, ready to support your remote connectivity and cloud needs. Plus, you'll receive personal attention and rapid support even in-house IT staff can't match. Don't let network issues slow your business down. Contact Onsite Computer Consulting today and connect with success.